Hello and welcome to a quick demo of our new native MFA functionality. So this is available both when you create a new user or update an existing user. So here you can see I'm creating a new user and I click next and you will see a new option called multi-factor authentication one-time passcode. If you select this option, this user will be created with native MFA functionality. It requires that it be a password enabled user. So we will now send the standard email reset password link. So this allows them to define their new password. But here you can see there's a new step saying that they need to complete MFA registration. So this is going to send them a second email just to authenticate that this is indeed the same user. Here you can see they can select from one of many of the popular MFA apps. Then they're going to go into that app, they're going to scan this QR code, and that will then give them the 6-digit code that they can enter to confirm they've set it up correctly. They can also save a recovery code. And now they're all set and have completed registration. So if they go back to the login and try logging into SnapLogic, it is going to say you're an MFA user, and for that we need them to use a special login page, so it sends them over there. They enter their username and password. They can also bookmark that login directly and use it. They can then enter their code, remember the device for 30 days, and now they're all set and logged into the application. So that's the new native MFA. It's currently in private beta. Contact your CSM if you'd like to join. Thanks.